Hi everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. For me, I feel a little bit sick. I'm sick and tired. I'm getting some medicines in order to be better. Not a big deal. I think I'm gonna be fine in a few days. Don't worry about me. In today's episode, we're gonna continue the TypeScript. We saw how to install TypeScript in our computer with integration with VS Code and etc. And we do a sample example for the start. In today's episode, we're gonna create a function and we're gonna use it with some variables inside it, pre-declared variables obviously, and we're gonna try to manipulate the function with strings instead of numbers, and we're gonna see how we can get the result correctly. So, in order to start, we are doing the variable. I'm gonna say here the message, and I'm gonna pre-declare it a string. I'm gonna leave it empty. I'm not gonna write anything. And now I'm gonna console log it with message here, as we did at the previous videos. Not big deal. We press save. We're starting our terminal window. I open my terminal window, and here we have to run our app.ts command. We saw it in two ways how we can run our app.ts file. The first was with the method of tsc. We are leaving a space app.ts, and the second was ts-node and app.ts. So for the first, I want you to pay attention to the left side of the screen, here up here, where the cursor is moving, and I'm gonna write the first code tsc app.ts. Pay attention to the left side. I press enter, and we have also the app.js, which is our plain JavaScript file. I want to remind you that whenever you're gonna do a change of variables, for example, hello world, I'm gonna write it like this. The change won't affect our app.ts file here. Okay, hello world. Press save. Let's inspect our app.ts file. No any change running here. Let's also run it with the second command, ts-node app.ts, and see if any change effective. Nothing. You see, it's barely empty. But in app.js file we have the message here. It's plain. We have the hello world, but nothing here in app.js. Okay, so I'm going to delete the app.js file. We don't need it for this project. I want to clear screen this terminal pager window, and let's move on. Here I'm gonna write a message. Message will be our hello world, the classic one. Hello world. I'm gonna press save and run our command ts-node app.ts, and we have the hello world here. And for the next step, I'm gonna create a function. We're gonna have the sum of two numbers, and we're gonna run it inside the console log window again. Okay, save it. Not a big deal. And here let's do a constraint sum. Okay, we're doing the numbers. I'm gonna do an arrow function. That's good. I'm gonna return something. Don't worry about it. And here I'm gonna give the number a. The type is gonna be number, pre-declared variable, and we're gonna have the second number, which is gonna be again a number. Okay, and for the return, I'm gonna sum the two numbers between them. Okay, deal? That's good. Save it, and let's call our function. I'm going to say sum. It wants two parameters. As you can see, it wants the number a and the number 2. The first number is going to be 5, and the second number is going to be 5. I'm going to save the project and run again the command in the terminal window, and we have the sum of 10. That's great. Okay, what about if I'm gonna give the second number as a string? What happens? You see, as soon as I start to write something, it says we have a problem here. Argument of type string is not assignable to parameter of type number. Because this occurs that this is a pre-declared function, a variable, sorry, and this cannot be changed after that. I'm going to say hello world for the time being, and I'm going to try to run it, although we are getting the error. Okay, save it, come again to terminal window and run the command. Yeah, we're getting the error. Exactly how it gets. What about if I'm gonna change the type of variable for the second number? What is gonna happen? Let's see. So, what happens if I don't put any pre-declared variable as a number? Okay, I'm saving. Do we get any? We're getting the any parameter of any, but is it gonna work? Let's see. No, this is not working because this says that arrow parameter b implementing has a type of any. This cannot be happen because this is a pre-declared function, okay? And you have to declare every single parameter inside this function. That's why we are gonna declare it a string. We are changing the type of this variable, and I'm gonna try to run my command once again. Let's see what happened. Okay, we didn't save the project. I'm gonna run again, and we're getting 5 hello world. What about if I'm gonna give the pairs of quote with a string, empty string here? I'll leave a space. Yeah, that's better. You see, we are getting this in return inside the console window, which is the continuance of a pre-declared function. Okay. I'm gonna keep this lesson that simple, short. I hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed it, please give a big thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe in order to see more future contents. Until then, see you very soon. Bye bye and take care of yourself. Bye.